Hi, I'm T Seaborg, an American chemist born in April 19, 1912. I think my greatest accomplishment is when I won the Nobel Chemistry Prize in 1951. I entered the University of California, Los Angeles in 1929 and received a degree of PhD in chemistry from the University of California, Berkeley in 1937. I married Helen Griggs, the secretary of Mrs. Ernest Lawrence, in 1942, and we had 6 children together. Unfortunately, our first son, named Peter Glenn Seaborg, died in 1997. I enjoyed a close relationship with President Lyndon Johnson, and especially followed Frederick Soddy's-Worth, who was an English radiochemist. I was involved in investigating and discovering 10 transuranium elements: plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, and element 106, which while I was still living was named Seaborgium in my honor. All of these elements aren't found in Earth because only elements up to 92 protons are able to exist in Earth. To explain more about the element plutonium, I bombarded uranium, which has 92 protons, with deuterons, and when 2 protons from the deuterons stick to the uranium's nucleus, the uranium becomes a plutonium. So that was how element 94, plutonium, was discovered. After appointment by President John F. Kennedy and confirmation by the U.S. Senate were made, I became the chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission from 1961 to 1971. So I took responsibility of the nuclear chemical research operated for the Atomic Energy Commission. When World War II broke out, I was eventually called to do war work and to build a nuclear bomb. At that time, the work was called the Manhattan Project and was considered top secret. My role was to figure out how to extract the tiny bits of plutonium from the massive uranium, and it almost seemed impossible, but I succeeded and the war finally ended. And of course, I died on February 25th, 1999.